is my love letter to Delhi, the Delhi that I visited often during my summer vacations, the Sarojini Nagar, RK Puram, that side. And it's also the Delhi which doesn't get represented much in Hindi cinema. All we see is Paharganj and very colorful Delhi. So this, I guess you guys will relate to a very diplomatic part of Delhi, the so-called seat of power. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And after the film, we'll be here in case you guys want interaction, Q&A, free chat, anything.
Fantastic, of course. Because it's majorly for friends, family, extended family, and the pretty girl in red there is my wife, Akriti. I often get romantic with her, but I get bromantic in this film with a very special actor in our fraternity. Please welcome Ishwak. So, buddy, over to you.
Thank you all for making it tonight. Like they've already expressed our sentiment towards the film. It's a very special film, and it's just like he has a love affair with Delhi, so do I.
Yes.
And Delhi is a very special city because I've grown up here. It's every nook and corner means something to me. I have an association, but the choices of the places that he's picked up in the film, I have special association with those areas of Delhi and that era. So enjoy the film. It's really, really special, and thank you so much for making it tonight.
Thank you so much, guys. And the funny bro. Rahul sir, what do you have to say?
I think it's really awkward for anyone to talk about their movie before anyone's seen it. Yeah, because whatever you say, you're going to be hanged for it later on. If you say it's crap, you'll be hanged for it. If you say it's great, you'll be hanged for it. So let's talk after the screening.
Absolutely,
yeah?
absolutely.
And if you really, really hate it, a quick exit is perfect.
We have 4 of them. We have 4 of them.
We have
That's
4
fine.
exits.
Yeah.
But we'll be there with a gun at every exit, or at least with a photograph of facial recognition later on, so we can decimate your families
The
after.
camera here is not to capture the happy moments, it's to capture who exited. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for dropping.
All that stuff. Please, we won't be offended. That's what I'm just saying right now. But if you guys want to stay and you want to ask some questions, just please.
A screening for the community, in Mumbai, or
Which community? There's no intelligence community.
no, I mean the deaf mute. मैं इशारे करता हूँ ना सर, मैं 10 साल हो गए मेरी शादी को, ठीक है, मैं बीवी को जो इशारे करता हूँ, मुझे लगा कि मेरे को ये इशारों वाला काम करना चाहिए, तो इसलिए यही मेरा ऑडिशन था। तो इन्होंने पूछा कि बीवी को इशारे कर तो क्या करते, मैं यही करता हूँ, डन, आप सिलेक्टेड हो।
फिल्म में रोल काफी अच्छा रहा होगा, क्योंकि अभी तक आपके कॉमेडियन रोल देखे, लेकिन ये जो रोल आपका अलग से हटके हमने देखा है।
थैंक यू सो मच, सो स्वीट ऑफ यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Come up with this story?
How did you come up with the story? Question.
I've answered this like 15 times since the morning.
No, they don't know.
But many things, but primarily there was a cafe in Bombay, and there was a deaf mute waiter. It was Costa Coffee, and I think they had a policy of employing deaf mute people to give support to the community. And there was one of them who was very talkative in the sense he would come to you and he would try and make a conversation in sign, which of course at that point you felt handicapped because you can't communicate. And that cafe was sort of a hub for writers and people to do meetings and all that. So in my imagination, I thought, what if he's one of the aspirants for film industry, and that sort of snowballed.
Your voice. Yeah. You asked me a question.
Yeah.
So,
Was it in a way inspired by Madras Cafe?
was it inspired by Madras Cafe?
Not at all.
At
What
all.
is Madras Cafe?
But I'm curious to know, what all sources did you kind of refer to for research? Because how much did you have access to?
What are the sources Atul referred to for research?
Yes.
Among other things, for this whole rivalry bit was Cowboys of Raw by I'm forgetting the name of the author now, but yeah, it's a very famous book. Yes. I'm sure people in Delhi.
Yes, ma'am, all the way at the back.
But yeah, I think it's something you need to practice. It's been about 1.5 years that we
It's
shot
not,
the
it's not
film.
like we've completely forgotten, but I think if we can, because we spent a lot of time with it. We did, Apar and I worked on it for
Please
like,
sit, relax.
That's okay.
over a month, 2 months I think.
Yeah.
It'll come back. It's a little rusty, but it'll come back. We'll get it back. If he decides to make
Berlin 2.
Berlin 2 since
तो हम कठिन
How did
परिश्रम
you come
करके
up with the name Berlin movie?
How did you come
Is
up
it
with the name
inspired
Berlin? I'm just
something?
repeating it because I guess
Yeah,
you
yeah.
guys can't hear the question, right?
And you were just showing off your projection.
I was about to.
basically. like, देखो मेरी बुलंद आवाज.
Why doesn't he
Next
shut up?
question.
Is it inspired from something or like the Berlin campus?
No, my idea was a German bakery, so to say. As a place, the inspiration was United Coffee House in Connaught Place, but or the Madras Coffee House was one of those places. But I sort of imagined it as a German bakery, and for that there are many reasons, but I will not delve into that at the moment. But yeah, that's how I came up.
Sir, it is not based on the real. It is not based on the
Sir,
real.
एक second, sir, एक second.
मुझे बताने दो ना कि मेरी भी आवाज है. दिल्ली वाला is impressed by his knowledge of Delhi.
Oh,
I know someone is when he mentioned United Coffee House.
Yes.
So yeah, this is one thing that really struck a chord, at least with me as an actor, because when I read the script and the words that he'd used to describe the city, it's as if, you know, when he writes about architecture, I felt like I was reading an architect has written about it. So yeah, hats off to the
Talking about
People don't know this.
the NDMC building in opposite Jantar Mantar. But digitally, it's been moved to Bhopal because you can't shoot outside Jantar Mantar. And there, at that point, there was some farmer protest going on that day. So we had our permission cancelled last minute. But it's the NDMC building where Apar is getting frisked.
Yeah.
I mean, getting checked. In the background, you'll see the NDMC building because that's one of the brutalist architecture.
The inside is someplace in Bhopal.
That's the Indian
Forestry.
Institute of Forest Management.
Yeah, Gunjan Nagpal had quite a lot of romance with. I think we did not know each other at all before, even when we were neighbors. We had not met ever. But the chemistry we started to develop as Ashok and Pushkin, it started to show off the camera as well, and touch wood, we've been really thick friends. And that's her mom. I should repeat this, he did.
To learn ALS.
About 2 months, right?
I said.
About 2 months.
It's called ISL.
Yeah, Indian Sign Language. Every country has their own separate sign language.
Okay.
So
like it's very cultural specific.
Yeah.
This might mean something in the Indian context and might mean something else in the West. So it becomes very contextual. I think we spent about the real like intense work was about a month and a half.
That's the real hard work to learn that.
Yeah. और उससे पहले भी हम सीख सकते थे.
yeah, okay.
How many of you would like to see this in the theaters?
Everyone.
So there's a
I know, but that was for
donation box
free.
outside.
Would you pay? I can tell you this: the psychology of an audience that pays and watches a movie versus an audience that comes in for free is vastly different. It's vastly different. You really need to work hard to keep the paying public entertained. That's why I asked the question. So, you know, listen, as far as we're concerned, we've answered 16 interviews today and the question was asked, and we said almost in unison, whether it's a street play or whether it's a multi-million-dollar extravaganza on screen, we are propelled by story, role, character, co-actors, director, writing.
True.
And if all of this sits together, we'd walk anywhere to do anything.
200%.
The only other thing that we would like to add, which perhaps others don't, is that it's so transpired, we never chatted about it, but all three of us are very certain we want to work with people who are also good human beings.
In separate interviews, you've said that to, you know,
Not just
separate
great
people.
great actors or talented directors or writers, but people who are good human beings. And I've had my fair share of people who I've worked with who are not great human beings. And it wasn't fun. And then what the hell are you doing all this for? Because, you know, at the end of the day, what's it going to get you? It has to be, the experience has to be dense, rich, and life-affirming. If that you're prepared to forsake for some illusory award or money later on, you're just absolutely never going to understand the meaning of life. This is it. So for us, this, and we're not faking our enthusiasm here.
Yeah.
This is actually fun because
Yeah.
you know, I love these guys. It's been a privilege.
So guys, before we